Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches, and today I've got another sew sampler for you guys. I can't wait to jump in and see what we got. All right, you guys, this is their 10-year celebration box, which is slightly different than what we got on our previous boxes. So I don't know if we're going to have this in the future or this designates something special because it's their 10-year anniversary. But congratulations, Fat Quarter Shop. You guys have been doing an outstanding job getting us all of these sew sampler boxes. So it's kind of, I don't know if you guys can see, it's kind of like fat, like it's on this side. It's like, does it all want to fit inside? So I'm really curious to see what we got. Okay, Summer Sunset. So this is our April 2026 box. And that's super cute. Oh my goodness, you guys. There's so much stuff in here. Okay, so let's take a look on the overhead so you guys can look with me. Okay, so we have our Summer Sunset box. And we got some beautiful, beautiful charm packs here, guys. I guess there's 3 charm packs. That's a lot of fabric. All right, let's see what our coupon is for the month. Okay, so we got another, let's see if I can flip this around without giving away their codes. We've got another quilt that we can make with this month's charm packs. And then we have 3 different coupon codes here. Get a free denim bee's knees book stand with an order of over $100. Oh, I have that. I have that one. I think so. Okay. I have not looked this up on the internet, so I don't know for sure, but I think that is this denim colored book stand. I like to keep my, why are all of my words eluding me? I like to use that to set up my design boards if I want to like look at a block while I'm making it so that I can keep it handy. And it's just a nice way to keep, if I'm actually using written directions, I can put it on here. So I really like having a couple of these in my sewing room. So that's the first coupon. The second coupon is we get a Kimberly Cuts 12 by 12 and a half by 12 and a half rotating mat if you spend $80 or more, and you get a Simply Jelly Roll book for free with any order over $60. So you guys, this is a great coupon. So yay for their 10-year anniversary. They really did us right. And it looks like they're bringing back some of their vault patterns for the first time. 12 of the most popular quilt patterns from Sew Sampler Vault. Oh yes, so we will include one Sew Sampler Vault printed pattern in each month box as a special bonus. Oh, you guys, this is great because I have so many people ask me for patterns. If they didn't have that Sew Sampler, then they can't get their hands on that pattern. So definitely a really great part of being a member of the Sew Sampler is that you get those patterns that you typically can't ever get again. They don't sell them individually. And so this might be a way to get your hand on some really popular patterns that they've had over their 10 years. Okay, so our fabric, we got 10, listen to me. We've got 5-inch charm packs here, and there's 3 of them in our section. And these are really pretty. I'll open this up and we'll take a look in just a minute. Oh, and alphabetties. I love these, you guys. These are so cute. This is their 10-year anniversary, so they're slightly different. And here's what they look like. I love having a couple different sets of these because honestly, if you have more than one project going at a time, you need a second one. Oh, and these are so cute. Look, it says celebrating 10 years. So these are really great to keep on your desk, to organize all your stuff. I have a couple of them floating around in here. Can't reach any of them right now. Come on. There we go. So really cute teal, says Sew Sampler on one side and Fat Quarter Shop, and on the other side it says that it's their 10-year anniversary. Oh, cute. We have a Pretty Pockets sewing machine caddy, and it's a quilt as you go pattern. So super cute. Looks like this is from AccuQuilt. So I don't know if these look like pretty straightforward pieces. So this will be really fun. And then we have our pattern. I wonder what our bonus pattern is going to be this month. Okay. Get all these things out. Oh, cute. And we got a sticker. Oh, I didn't show you the inside of the box. So we've got a sticker you probably put on your machine or anywhere else that you'd like to. And that's the same as the inside lid of our box now has that same heart with all of those different, notions and sewing ideas in it. Okay. On to the patterns. Okay. So this is our pattern that is for this month's box. It's called Honeysuckle. It's 47.5 by 47.5. Super cute. That looks like a really fun one to do. We'll need 2 yards of background and 5/8 for binding. And then your backing is 3¼ yards. Really going to be a fun one to do. I think this fabric is going to be really cute too. Oh, you guys, this is going to be a fun one. Okay. So what did they call it? Let's see what they called it so I don't call it the wrong thing all year. So our Sew Sampler Vault pattern is called Winding Path. And this is from originally published in May of 2022. So if you already had the subscription in May of 2022, then you probably have this pattern somewhere. But I don't know if you could put your hands on it. So for this one, you're going to need 6 fat quarter pieces. And I'm always looking for more patterns that you can make with just a couple of fat quarters. So this is going to be really fun. We're going to need 1 yard of an accent, 3/4 of a yard of accent 2, and then half a yard for the binding and 3 yards for the backing. Super cute, you guys. That's fun. Okay. Then we also have block number 1 of our block of the month. This is the Spooled Quilt Along. And so that's going to be our very first block. Really cute. And this is a Ring Around the Rosy block. Okay. So I feel like I'm missing something. I think that's it. Okay, so let's jump into the fabric. So we've got some beautiful Honeyed Horizon. We've got 3 of these charm packs. Really beautiful peaches and greens. Now you may not be able to see this. Of course, you can do this. So a fun little white on white. It's going to be the same pattern as this next one, but just in our white on white. And then we've got this cute pink peach color. Got a couple of those. Oh, how cute. Some little leaves. Oh, I like that a lot. That's really fun. This feels like almost watermelon-y. I love it. We've got that same pattern in green. And then our circles, kind of double circles inside of each other. Kind of looks like one of the free motion quilting ones I like to use. Great hexagons there. Really a lot of variety in this bundle, guys. Oops, I skipped one. There we go. More of that kind of star pattern. Now we're moving into the golds. More of our circles. And our hexagon again. Oh, that's interesting. Kind of in reverse of the way the other one was. So mostly white with a little bit of our peach. Some more geometric circles. And then we're moving into our pinks. And we've got some cute combinations here. This is going to be a really fun quilt, you guys. I love the variety of these colors. We're getting a lot of different pulling from all the cools and the warms together. I think it's going to be really great. Now we're moving into the blues. Oh, that's cute. So it's actually not, it's just the flowers. And then we've got our blue plaid on the diagonal almost. And some more hexy prints. This would be really cute as the back of the quilt. I wonder what they have set up with the Fat Quarter Shop has for the, oh gosh, what's wrong with me today? The finishing kits. Every month they do have finishing kits, I think, that you can order. I often don't want to wait that long to make mine, but it is really fun to have an entire line of that entire fabric. And I think those little hexies would be fun on the back. I really like this. This is probably my favorite print in the whole bundle. Very cute, you guys. Okay, so let's go through, make sure we didn't forget anything. So first we have our 3 charm packs, Chase the Golden Hour with Moda Honeyed Horizon by a new designer. Okay, fun. So we got 3 of those. It's a value of $37.44. Then we have our Quilt As You Go, Pretty Pocket Sewing Machine Caddy. That has a value of $12.98. And then on to our Alphabetties. So those are always fun to have in a couple different colors. Those are $7.48. We have our original pattern that came with this quilt that is a value of $9.98. Super cute. We also have our Sew Sampler 10-year mega stash and store. So that'll be great to hold all of the notions right next to your sewing machine. I keep my pens and pencils and seam ripper. Unfortunately, I do have to keep that one handy. And that is valued at $14.98. We also have our bonus sticker. Here we go. I've got too many things out. Our bonus sticker that's valued at another $3. We have our block of the month spool quilt along. That's valued at $4.98. And I don't actually see this other pattern written on here, but if you just keep in mind that most of the time those patterns are valued at $10, then we're at another $10 for this winding path quilt pattern. So all in all, guys, I think this has been a great value. Okay, guys, so that's it for this month's Sew Sampler. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you so much, Fat Quarter Shop, for sending us all the extra goodies. I can't wait to take advantage of some of those coupon codes. If you like watching any of these unboxing videos or any of my other tutorials, please do hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out a ton. And until then, I will see you guys next time.